Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday, and our month is April, and it's the 8th. What's the weather like outside today? Let's ask my friend Papa Pig. Papa Pig, what's the weather like outside?
Oh, ho, 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 ho. The weather is pretty nice outside, but there's chances of rain.
Oh my, there's chances of rain. So that's why they call it April showers, right? Because the saying goes, April showers brings May flowers, because it rains a lot and then we get lots of rain. And coming up on this coming Sunday, we have a holiday called Easter. I hope everyone has a good day today. This story that I want you to help me read is called Dog Bones by Nora Cartson, illustrated by Betsy Day. And the genre is fantasy, so it's not going to be real people, real places. We're going to see things like animals acting like people. So this is a chapter book. Chapter 1, Why is Max Excited? This is Max. He has saved a lot of bones. He is proud of his collection. One day, Max learns about a contest. The contest is for the biggest bone. He thinks he can win. And look at the sign. It says contest, biggest bone. Chapter 2, Where are the bones? Max needs to dig up all of his bones. Where did he bury them? He sniffs and sniffs and sniffs. Max starts to dig. He finds a round ball, but no bones. Where did he bury them? No bones there. Max walks to another spot and digs. Now he finds a whole bunch of bones. There are so many. How will he find the biggest one? Max starts to sort the bones. These are small, says Max. I will put them in a pile. Chapter 3, What does Max find? Max digs up 4 more bones. He says, these bones are bigger. I will make a new pile. He digs again and finds only 1 more. It is the one he was looking for. This bone is the biggest, he says. Now he is ready to go to the contest. Look how big it is. He has to put it on his back. It's so big. On the way, Max sees his friend Bob. Bob says, I had trouble finding bones. I have none. Come with me, says Max. This bone is large enough for 2. We will enter the contest together. The judge opens the envelopes. Max and Bob didn't win first prize, but that's okay. Max got to help his friend. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. It's nice to help a friend, isn't it? Look at page 2. How does Max feel about his collection of bones? This is Max. He has saved a lot of bones. He is proud of his collection. So proud. How does he feel? He's proud. He's happy that he has a nice collection of bones. Number 2. Look at page 10. How does Bob feel? What's his point of view? On the way, Max sees his friend Bob. Bob says, I had trouble finding bones. I have none. So do you think Bob feels happy? No, he's kind of sad. He's bummed out, right? He thinks he has nothing to have, and Max was nice enough to share. How can you tell that dog bones is a fantasy? Well, do dogs really wear clothes? I mean, technically, some people dress their dogs up in clothes, right? Do dogs wear glasses and stand up on their legs like that? Can dogs enter a contest without humans? Probably not, right? So fantasy means that it couldn't really happen in real life. Okay, so since we've been talking about sorting, we're going to do the nonfiction text next. So this one says, sorting balls. So nonfiction is real people, real places, real events, and photographs. How can we sort balls? Let's sort them by size. These balls are small. These balls are bigger, and this ball is the biggest. So what can you learn about sorting? So here they sorted balls, and in the story, what did they sort? Max sorts bones, right? Okay, good job, you guys. Okay, we're gonna do pages 547 through 550. These I believe are the last sheets in the Dropbox for chapter 7. So our vocabulary right now is bar graph, picture graph, data, and survey. A blank shows data using bars. So which one uses bars? It gives you a hint. It's in the name. So bar graph. Bar graph shows data with bars. Bar graph. Remember, PH makes the F sound. Okay, number 2. A blank shows data using pictures. Well, which one shows pictures? It's in the title too. Picture graph. Number 3, another word for information is blank. Data or data. And number 4, you can collect data by taking a blank, a survey. Okay, number 4, do more people like skipping or running? So you would look at your tally chart and look at walking has 3, running has 4, and skipping has 3. So do people like skipping or running better? Running, right? Okay, let's do page 548. So it says, write the totals in the tally chart. So these are favorite sea animals. So whales has 2. Remember, when it's slashed like that, that means 5. So dolphins has 5, 6. And sharks has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Use the tally chart in exercise 6 to make a bar graph. So whales has 2. And dolphins has 6. So another thing you guys can do is you can start here and you can go up and make a line like that. And then that way you know where to stop. Sorry, Miss Bob's not making this very nice and neat, but that's okay. Okay, and sharks has 9 votes. So that's all the way at the end, right? So you just know you're gonna stop all the way at the end. Number 8, how many people chose dolphins? So dolphins has 6. What sea animal got fewer than 5 votes? So less than 5. Which one has less than 5? Well, not dolphins. Dolphins has more than 5. Whales only has 2, right? Number 10, how many people chose sharks and whales? They want you to add up sharks and whales. So whales has 2, and sharks has 9. So start with our big numbers. Say 9, 10, 11. How many students were surveyed? So how many in all? Well, we already know sharks and whales is 11. 9, 10, 11. Add the dolphins. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, Now we're going to do page 549. Problem solving, complete the tally chart. Okay, so this is favorite subject. So math has 5 plus 1 is 6. Science has 1, 2, 3, 4. And reading has 1, 2, 3. So it says, Adam asked his friends about their favorite subjects. Is that all they want us to do? So which one had the most votes? Math. Which one had the least? Reading. And which one had fewer than 5? Science. I think they just wanted us to complete that chart. Okay, here's our test practice. Here's the important part. Gemma counts how many glasses of water each person drinks in one day. How many glasses does her dad drink? So Mom had 3 glasses of water a day. Dad has 4, and Gemma has 8, but they only want to know Dad. So Dad has 4. Okay, let's do the last page, 550. So we're going to use the data to make each graph. So here's our data. 3 people walk to school, 6 people ride the bus, and 4 people ride their bikes. So walking has 3. So this one's called a tally chart. Bus has 5 plus 1 is 6. And riding a bike is 4. So now we can do our bar graph. So walking has 3. And bus has 6. And a bike has 4. And down here you can do a picture graph if you want, or you could do a bar graph. So walking has 3. So if you want to do a picture graph, make 3 little guys walking. Or girls walking. And bus has 6. So you make 6 buses. You guys can make yours look a little bit better than Miss Pa's, okay, if you want. And bike had 4. What do you guys think? Is that an okay bike? It doesn't have to be perfect. You guys can do a bar graph down here if you want. All right, have a good day.